You are cruising along on a long road trip. You go to set your cruise control so you can finally rest your foot, but absolutely nothing happens. Or maybe the light comes on, but your car refuses to maintain the speed you want. If you hook up a scanner and see a P0581 code, you are dealing with a cruise control multifunction input a circuit high condition. This OBD2 code basically tells us that the engine control module, or ICM, is seeing an electrical voltage signal that is much higher than it should be. While this is not a code that will leave you stranded on the side of the road, it is definitely a major blow to your driving comfort. In most cases, the problem is right at your fingertips, specifically the multifunction switch on your steering column or the buttons on your steering wheel. Because these buttons are used so often, they easily get filled with dust grime or even sticky residue from spilled drinks, which can cause the internal mechanical parts to stick or short out. A great pro tip here is to never spray cleaning chemicals directly onto the buttons. Instead, lightly dampen a soft cloth and carefully wipe the crevices to see if that restores the movement. If cleaning does not fix it, the issue might be deeper in the wiring. Since the steering wheel is constantly turning, the wires inside the column can chafe or break over time, leading to a high voltage signal. You will want to use a digital volt-ohmmeter to check the resistance of the switch and the integrity of the harness. If you see erratic readings while moving the steering wheel, you have definitely found your problem. While an ICM failure is possible, it is extremely rare and should be your very last resort after you have checked every connector for corrosion or loose pins. Staying on top of these small electrical issues early is always better because they tend to get worse and more expensive the longer you let them go.